Hello, my name is Néstor Pérez-Molière, and I'm here to talk about my upcoming course titled Handcrafting Light for Portraiture, Interiors, and Still Life. As the title says, we will be looking closely at lighting for photography and how best to manipulate it. The course starts on March 18th and runs for 6 weeks. As mentioned, we'll be looking at everything lighting. And one of the main things we're going to be doing in this course is that we're going to be looking at other artists and how they have successfully sculpted light so that we can get inspired. We will be considering portraiture, self-portraiture, environmental portraiture, interiors, and still life, and consider how we can photograph all of these different moments. We will have demonstrations where we learn how to manipulate light through reflection, diffusion, and blocking. We will be learning how light behaves and understanding direction, intensity, temperature, and contrast. We will be using common household items as well as readily available professional equipment. So that means that the course is not just for beginners, but also for advanced. And we would also be considering ambient light and artificial lighting. Throughout the course, we will also have plenty of critique sessions, which is a way in which we can receive feedback and individualize instructions so that you can push your practice even better. By the end of the course, I hope you have a portfolio of images in which you have handcrafted light, but fundamentally, I would love for all the students to have a very good knowledge on how to look at light and understand it to its basic level. There's a few spots left, so please sign up as soon as possible, and I look forward to meeting you.